Namaste बच्चों, I JVN Aishi Shukla, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So today our topic is depth first search and breadth first search. ये सारी जो टेक्निक्स होती हैं बेटा, ये ट्री की टेक्नोलॉजीज होती हैं. इनमें हम डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च में हम अरेंज करते हैं एलिमेंट को बाय यूजिंग डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च, एंड ऐसे ही हम ब्रीथ फर्स्ट सर्च में भी अरेंज करते हैं. और ये कॉमन चीज़ है दैट डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च में वी अरेंजिंग इन स्टैक, और ब्रेथ फर्स्ट सर्च में हम क्यू में अरेंज करते हैं एलिमेंट्स को किसी भी ग्राफ के या किसी भी ट्री के. सो फर्स्ट डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च एल्गोरिथम ट्रैवर्स अ graph in a depthward motion and use a stack to remember to get the next vertex to start a search. When a dead end occurs in any iteration, as in example given above, that is DFS algorithm traverse from S to A to D to G and to E and then to B first, then find F and lastly to C. सो देखते हैं अपन इसको ये कैसे सर्च करता है. इसके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं. देयर आर सम रूल्स फॉर depth first search. That is, rule 1 is visit the adjacent unvisit vertex, mark it as visited, display it, push it in a stack. Then second one, if no adjacent vertex is found, pop up a vertex from the stack. It will pop up all the vertex from the stack which do not have adjacent vertices. Now next one is rule 3, that is repeat rule 1 and repeat 2 until the stack is empty. So there is an example of one traversal graph. देखेंगे यहाँ पे देखिए, that example is first, that is there is some nodes, that is A, B, S, C and D, that is vertexes. Okay, we have empty stack is that is initialize the stack. Next, second step is first we traverse S, okay, because it is top of the stack, top of the graph, so mark as visited and put it into the stack. Then explore any unvisited adjacent node from S. We have 3 nodes and we can pick any of them. For this example, we take the node in alphabetical order. Okay, so there after S we can pick A, B or C, anyone, but first we pick A, okay, because we go to alphabetic we goes to alphabetic order, so we take A, so we put it in a stack. Then we traverse B. After A we traverse the child of A, so that is D, so we traverse D. Then after D we traverse B, because the second of the after S second one is B, so we traverse B. So B का भी common child क्या है? D, so we doesn't traverse D again. Now next we traverse, at the last we traverse C. So after B we traverse C. So that is known as depth first search process. So C does not have any unvisited adjacent node, so we keep popping the stack until we find a node that has an unvisited adjacent node. In this case, there is none, and we keep popping until the stack is empty. So that is known as depth first search. Now we took the example for breadth first search. Okay, BFS. So BFS algorithm traverses a graph in breadward, okay, motion and uses the queue to remember to get the next vertex to start a search. When a dead end occurs in any iteration, as in the example given above, BFS algorithm traverses A to B, then B to E, then to F, then first to C, and G lastly to D. It employs the following rules. So what is the rule for BFS? That is rule 1, visit the adjacent unvisited vertex, mark it as visited, display it, insert it in queue. Then rule 2 is, if no adjacent vertex is found, remove the first vertex from the queue. Then rule 3, repeat rule 1 and repeat rule 2 also. So queue is empty. Now there is an example of that particular uh, graph, that is S, A, B, C and D. So firstly initialize the queue, then put S into the first we traverse S के बाद भी nodes हैं, that's why we traverse A. After A we traverse B and put it in inserting order. So after A there is B, then after B there is C, and after C we DQA, because we find the value of now S is left with no one visit, because A is traversed by S, so that's why we DQ S. Sorry, A. Now from A we have D as unvisited adjacent. Okay, so we mark it visited and put it in Q. So what is the basically we find all the vertices, we traverse all the vertices. So at this stage we are left with no unmarked nodes, but as per the algorithm we keep on dequeuing in order to get all unvisited nodes. When the queue gets empty, the program is over and we got the list of a sequential list of traverse elements in the graph. So that is known as BFS. That both are used for traverse graph in different ways. First one in DFS we use stack to stack to pop and push elements, and the second one BFS we use queue for insert or deleting the elements of any graph for traversing. So that is the basic searching techniques or basic searching algorithms for searching any element in the graph. If you have any query or any doubt in this section, then comment in comment box. Thank you so much.